Online workshop facilitation. This course will teach you how to run an online workshop that will keep people engaged and achieve your objectives. Effective meeting discipline will ensure that you use people's time wisely as you meet together virtually, share ideas, and collaborate effectively. You should do this course so that you can learn how to become an online facilitator. Learn the tips and tricks of running meetings using video conferencing software. Earn valuable credibility by running effective meetings and respecting people's time. Create alignment and productivity in your teams. This course consists of 3 modules. In the first module, you will prepare for your workshop by setting up an agenda, managing the content beforehand, and ensuring readiness for your online workshop. In the second module, you will learn how to facilitate the workshop. You will learn to kick off and introduce effectively. You will learn how to balance and engage different people's contributions. And you will wrap up effectively. In module 3, you will learn how to drive action from your workshop. Achieve quick wins, follow up on actions, and get and apply feedback. Also included in this course, you will receive a handy worksheet that you can use to apply all these new skills in your next workshop. I look forward to hearing about how you have transformed your online workshop facilitation skills.